Now, here's where we get into the area that is going to be a particular challenge if there isn't a conversation between the framing team and the Firestop team. And this is where it says a minimum clearance of 1 inch to a maximum of 4 inch shall be maintained between the framing and the spray applied fire resistant material on the 2 sides of the structural support. So if they frame it tight and it's less than 1 inch, you can't meet this requirement. And the clearance between the framing and the fireproofing on the bottom has to be 2 inches.
For the 50% compression, right? Of the mineral wool?
No, this, I think, and I'm completely talking out of school here. So I'm telling you what I think, not what I know.
Oh, okay.
And I think that this has to do with movement. So if there's movement and you've got 1 inch separation, now you risk any compression of that deck
Down
potentially damaging the fireproofing. And as much as I think fire stop is important, the structural integrity of the building is more important than the fire stopping. And if you don't have the proper fireproofing installation on structural steel, you have a problem, because structural steel loses 50% of its integrity at 1,000 degrees Fahrenheit. And if you remember the temperatures inside the furnace in our fire test, we reach 1,000 degrees Fahrenheit at the 5-minute mark. Now, that does not mean that the structural steel reaches 1,000 degrees in 5 minutes, but it's not far behind. And how fast is it going to heat up? I can't give you that answer, because it all depends on what material it is, how thick is it, how big is that beam. All of those things play a role in answering that question. And if there's fireproofing on it, we don't have to worry about it, as long as it has the right installation, right?